Simply log into your Namecheap account. Here, you can see your domain name and hosting plan. Now, we need to install WordPress on our website. So simply hover on the hosting icon, and then click on Manage. Now scroll down. Here you can see the WordPress icon. Simply click on it. Now click on Install Now. Now, we need to select a protocol for our website. Simply choose anyone from these two options. Leave other options as default. Now head over to the admin account section. Simply choose admin username and password. Please make sure you note this admin username and password, because we need these details to log into our website dashboard. Type your email address. Tick mark on Classic Editor. Now leave other options as default. Type your email address. Click on Install. Now, we successfully installed WordPress on our website. This is our website URL, and this is our website admin URL. Simply click on the website URL to visit our website. Now, here you can see, our website is live. And this is our website default look.